In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send over contracts with Pandadoc. We'll walk through the full process, from starting a new document to adding your recipient, placing signature fields, and finally sending it out for signing. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause whenever you need to. First, once you're logged into your Pandadoc account, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see an option labeled New Document. Go ahead and click on that. This is how you start any new contract or agreement inside Pandadoc. After clicking, Pandadoc will give you a few ways to create a document. For this walkthrough, we're going to use an existing contract file that you already have on your computer. Choose the option that says Select File. A file browser window will pop up where you can navigate to your saved contract. Select the file you want to send and confirm. Pandadoc will upload it and open it in the editor. Next, you'll need to tell Pandadoc who needs to sign this contract. Look for the area where you can add recipients. Click to add a recipient, then type in the signer's email address carefully, since this is where the contract will be sent. If you have multiple signers, you'd repeat this for each one. Once you've added the necessary recipients, click Continue to move on. Now you're in the document editor, and this is where you'll place the signature fields. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different field types. Find the signature field, click on it, and then drag it onto the document. Drop it exactly where you want your signer to sign, usually near the bottom of the contract. If there are multiple signers or multiple places that need signatures, you can drag more signature fields onto the relevant spots and assign each one to the correct recipient. When everything looks good and all required fields are placed, look for the button that says Review and Send and click it. This takes you to a final review step before it goes out. Here, you'll be asked to enter a document name. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find it later, then click Continue again. You'll now see the email that will be sent to your recipient. Type your email message, keeping it short but clear, explaining what the contract is and anything the signer needs to know. Once you're happy with the message and the setup, click Send Document. Pandadoc will deliver the contract to your recipient's inbox for electronic signing.